Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal Joon and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country and world. Starting with the headlines. Supreme Court launches online mediation training web portal. Bombay High Court rejects plea seeking DJ laser light ban during Eid Procession. Court dismisses revision petition seeking case registration against Akhilesh Yadav, Assaduddin Owaisi. Delhi High Court challenges extension of Relig Enterprises AGM amid corporate governance concerns. Indian government summoned by US court in civil suit filed by Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun over alleged murder plot. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has launched an online mediation training web portal developed by NALSA in collaboration with the Top Court's Mediation and Conciliation Project Committee over a span of 5 months. This initiative introduced a comprehensive 40-plus hour online training module combining theoretical knowledge with practical skills covered by 50-plus lectures on 20 topics pertaining to mediation and 10-plus hours of online and interactive practical sessions. Commending NALSA for conceptualizing and developing this online mediation training course by bringing together stalwarts in the field, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud stated that this training program will help make mediation the first and default mode of dispute resolution by training lawyers, judges, law students, etc. in the art of mediation. The curated content would centralize dissemination of knowledge on mediation, he said. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Executive Chairman NALSA, in his address explained how this training module was conceptualized and developed over a span of 5 months after extensive deliberation with experts in the field of mediation. The Bombay High Court has observed that if the use of loudspeakers and sound systems beyond permissible noise levels was harmful during the Ganesh festival, then it is also has the same effect during the Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi processions. A division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Amit Borkar made the remark while hearing a bunch of public interest litigations seeking a ban on the use of DJs, dance and laser lights during the Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi processions. The petition urged the High Court to direct the civic bodies and police to refrain from granting permission for the use of such high decibel sound systems. The PILs claimed that neither the Quran nor the Hadith, holy books, prescribes the use of DJ systems and laser lights for the celebration. The bench referred to an order passed by it the last month just before the Ganesh festival, wherein it emphasized the ban on the use of loud sound systems and loudspeakers emitting noises levels beyond the permissible limits specified under the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000 during festivals. The petitioner's advocate O.S. Pechkar sought the court to add Eid to in its earlier order, to which the bench said that was not required as the order said public festivals. If it is harmful for Ganesh Chaturthi, it is harmful for Eid also, the court said, disposing of the petitions. An additional district court has dismissed a revision petition seeking the registration of a case against Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav, AIMIM President Assaduddin Owaisi and others for allegedly spreading hatred towards Hindus and hurting their sentiments with their respective statements regarding the structure found in the Wazu Khana of the Gyanvapi Mosque during a court-mandated survey in May 2022. The Hindu side claimed the structure to be a shivling while Muslims claimed it to be a fountain. Senior advocate Harishankar Pandey had filed the petition in May 2022 seeking an order to register a case against Akhilesh Yadav and Owaisi along with Mufti-e-Banaras Maulana Abdul Batin Nomani, Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid Committee President Maulana Abdul Waki, Joint Secretary S.M. Yasin and others. In May 2022, the SP chief, while speaking to the media in Ayodhya after the shivling-like structure was found in the Gyanvapi Mosque compound, said, "In our Hinduism, place a stone anywhere under a peepal tree and install a red flag there and it become a temple." Assaduddin Owaisi had stated that the structure was not a shivling but a fountain, claimed the plaintiff. A division bench of the Delhi High Court has issued notices to the Registrar of Companies and Religare Enterprises Limited following a petition by MB Finmart, part of Burman Family Companies, opposing the ROC's decision to extend Religare's annual general meeting by 3 months. The ROC had granted Religare's request for the extension on 22nd August, postponing the company's 40th AGM to December. Originally, the AGM was scheduled for 30th September and Relig Gear did not provide a reason for seeking the extension at the time. MB Finmart, in its petition filed before the Delhi High Court, has argued that the ROC's extensions was granted without adhering to Section 96(1) of the Companies Act, which only allows such extensions in exceptional circumstances. A bench comprising of Justice Suresh Kumar Kait and Girish Katpalia heard the case and issued notices to ROC and Relig Gear, requiring them to file their responses within 10 days. MB Finmart has also been given 5 days thereafter to file its reply, and the next hearing has been set for 21st October. The primary issue at the stake is the reappointment of the Relig Gear's chairperson Rashmi Saluja, which was to be decided at the postponed AGM. MB Finmart, represented by Harish Salve, argues that the delay has negatively impacted shareholders' rights, especially in light of the ongoing tension between the Burman family and Relig Gear's leadership. A US court has summoned the Indian government following a civil suit by Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, who alleged a plot concocted to murder him. The summons were issued by the US District Court for Southern District of New York. It names the Indian government National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, former RAW Chief Samant Goyal, RAW Agent Vikram Yadav, and Indian businessman Nikhil Gupta. The summons also asked the Indian government to file a reply within 21 days. The centre is yet to respond to the summons. Last year, it was reported that the US had thwarted a plot to kill Pannun, who heads the radical outfit 6 for Justice and holds dual citizenship of the US and Canada. Officials in the Joe Biden administration also later confirmed this. The Ministry of External Affairs, responding to the allegations, had said that India have launched a high-level probe. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.